Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to delete Facebook activity log all at once. If you want to remove your Facebook activity history all at once, you can do it through the app. This includes posts, comments, reactions, and other actions recorded in your activity log. Clearing it helps keep your account tidy and your interactions private. First, open the Facebook application on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Now, scroll down and select Activity Log. Here, tap on Activity History to see all your past actions. If you want to delete individual items, tap the three dots next to any history and select Delete, then confirm by tapping Delete again. To remove all activity at once, go back and tap on Account Center. Next, tap on Your Information and Permissions. Then select your activity off Meta Technologies. Here, tap on Clear Previous Activity, then tap Clear, and confirm by tapping Clear Previous Activity again. This will remove all your past activity from your Facebook account, keeping your profile cleaner and your interactions private. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.